Hi everyone. I'd like to do an unboxing of the new MacBook Air in the midnight blue. Got this yesterday. Going to be using this for teaching. So let's get started. I'm going to open the outer packaging. Okay. Apple products are surely packaged well. Got the wrapping off. Now let's take a look at it. Again, I decided to get the midnight blue. Different color for me. Usually I get the silver. Looking forward to using this in my teaching. See how the new MacBook Air M2 chip holds out on online teaching and teaching in person. Okay, so here is the computer, the laptop. We'll put that aside for now. And let's see what the accessories are for this machine. So, here is our MagSafe 3 cord that comes with it. USB-C connector. It's white on the tip. That's interesting. And the MagSafe 3. That's good. It's similar to the one for my MacBook Pro. We got the instructions, how brief they are. Startup instructions. Again, people who have Apple products know this. Fairly standard. Some warranty information. And the stickers. These are cool to have. Put them on different things. And it is the dark blue. That's great. And we have our charger. That's kind of a different type of charger. Not your traditional block. It has two USB-C and I believe it's about 30-watt charger. So different, small. Comes with the two. That'll be handy. Put that aside. And let's take a look at the computer. Okay. Again, I typically get the silver, the traditional color of the MacBook. So today I decided, or the other day I decided to get the darker color. So let's see. And there she is. It's already scuffed. That's what people say, that this gets scuffed easily. But that's fine. Fine for me. I can just wipe it. Beautiful. Look how thin it is. Very thin. So compared to, here's my MacBook Pro 14-inch. Don't know if you can see that, but it's noticeably thinner. And the footprint, well, it's the 14's a bit bigger. But almost the same. And there she is. Nice and thin. Can take this to campus easily. Use it for the classroom or online. And she's doing the startup. So, again, the MacBook Air. The configuration that I got was the 8-core CPU, 10-core GPU with 16 gigabytes of RAM and 1 terabyte of storage. So I upgraded the RAM from 8 to 16. I didn't think I needed the 24. I think the 16 is going to be good enough for me. And the storage 1 terabyte, which is great for storing videos, music, and stuff like that. My MacBook Pro that I use, the 14-inch, with the M1 Pro chip, I have 32 gigabytes of RAM and 1 terabyte of storage. But I think with this machine, it's going to be fast. 16 should be good enough. So I'm going to get this set up, and I look forward to seeing you online or in the classroom. So have a great start to your school year for those of you that are taking school. And we'll see you soon. College Professor signing out.